Our is the only company which has been solely created for the purpose of energy efficiency execution. We are a JV of 4 PSUs, NTPC, Power Grid, REC and PFC, and we were created in 2009 with the sole purpose of taking the energy efficiency projects. So maybe people may not be aware of ESL as such, but when I tell about the schemes and the impact, I think the impact of ESL has been more than any other PSU in the country. If you remember, 10 years ago, the street lights, we used to have sodium lamps on the street, yellow sodium lamps. They were of 250 watt, 300 watt. So Government of India asked us to change entire sodium lamp in the country, and we changed close to 2.8 crore sodium lamps with the LEDs. Today, if you go to any city, you will not find sodium lamps. In entire country, ESL was the agency which replaced the street lights. Solar cold storage is a new concept which is getting popularized, because earlier we have very big cold storages. But now we have come with a product where we are designing 5 to 10 empty cold storage which will run on the solar power. And there is a huge appetite for this, and this will not run on the grid, this will be off the grid. So again the power saving will be there. Our Prime Minister has put a very ambitious target of 5 lakh megawatt renewable power by 2030. As of now, we are generating more than 5 lakh megawatt, and around 2.4 is still thermal, because country cannot be solely dependent on the solar till our BESS and other things come. I think from 2009, when we were formed with four PSUs, as I told you, under Ministry of Power, Government of India. So we are the only PSU in the country which sole mandate is to do the job, not make policies. Making policy is job of Bureau of Energy Efficiency or Government of India, and who also doing. But who will do it? So we are the one who are doing it. We have done projects of thousands of crores, and we are still doing it. So I believe that I will just take you to what next we are doing, because everybody knows that sodium lamps have been replaced with the LED on the streets. Though still we have now LED lights which are more efficient than earlier LED lights. But when I go to MCGs, they say अब तो LED लगा दिया, अब तो कोई जरूरत नहीं है. But 120 watt LED light can be easily replaced with 80 watt LED lights, giving more light. But it is all about the priority and financing and the, what we think, where we want to spend. As a ESL, it is our job, our duty to educate. We go to all the municipal commissioners, we tell them it is not enough that we have replaced sodium lamp with the LED. This LED can be further optimized. So if they have money, I think they will come to us and we will do it. We have to be environmentally conscious when we are talking about AQI, and this is not only about energy efficiency should not be linked with the only power saving of your bill. And if you save, you will save your bill will come from 6,000 to 3,000. It's not like that. It has a very, very wider ramification. When you are saving power, you are saving the environment, you are improving the AQI, you are reducing the thermal emission. So it is not about your own individual saving only.